Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. I've been doing car videos for the past few years, mostly one or maybe two videos per car, but now I'm doing something special. This car right here is my new Honda Civic Type-R. This is the FK2. It's a 2015 model. It's a late 2015. They made this body style until 2017, so it's actually quite rare. The FK8 replaced the FK2 basically really quickly, so it didn't have a long life, but what a car it is. My car is in brilliant sporty blue, a very stupid name for a nice color. I think it's one of the best choices for this car. Now my car also has the GT pack, which means it has the red stripe in the splitter, some other visual details, and many other technical options like blind spot assist, rear traffic assist, and so on and so on. I will talk about that later on in the next videos. Now the car itself has 39,500 kilometers on the clock. If you wash the car nicely, it basically looks brand new. It hasn't aged one bit. Yes, there are some scratches along the car, but mostly it's very nice indeed. On the interior, the Civic did not have options, not one bit. You only had the choice of this red and black Alcantara cloth interior and these exceptionally nice bucket seats. These seats are as close to perfect as a sports car seats should be. Now, since this car is 3 years old, it has had quite a large price drop compared to the original list price of this car. I will talk about that later. It is an interesting fact. The car itself is running on Pilot Super Sport tires, which have roughly 6 to 7 millimeters tread on them. And since winter is approaching fast, I also have a set of 18-inch alloys with non-studded winter tires. I love the fact that this car has 4 exhaust pipes. It just makes it look so much meaner, and actually I like it a lot more than the FK8's 3 exhaust middle system. It's just weird. Stepping in the car, let's start it up. So what should you find in my channel in the near future? Well, I'm gonna go through most of the aspects of owning a Type-R and driving it on a daily basis, even in the winter. Soon I'm gonna go to the track with this car, as I do wanna beat the winter slush and, you know, get some nice tarmac action going. I'm gonna make a video about cost, maintenance, insurance, reliability, the technical stuff here and there. So basically every aspect of this car should be covered with the videos that are coming. So that's mostly it, guys. Hit the bell icon to see when I upload a new video. Subscribe, like. There will be a lot more videos to come for this car, and also reviews on other new and used cars. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.